The two largest threats to human health over the last 100 years are air pollution and climate change. This is a very complex problem. In order to find the most optimal solution, we should be thinking about the system rather than a problem separately. Air pollution has been around with us for a long time. In the 1900s, there were a lot of health impact. That was the beginning of air pollution control in the global north. And then they were very successful in creating regional regulation. And then in the 1990s, climate change was coming into play. It used to be the discourse that climate change is just about polar bears, not really related to us.
Climate change is having a devastating effect here and basic survival more difficult.
We started to realize that air pollution, climate change, and health are so intertwined, and we should be really emphasizing that now as we see more adverse health impacts. Targeting a source that co-emits both air pollutants and greenhouse gas emissions is one of the most effective ways to reduce air pollution and also mitigate climate change at the same time. The largest source of PM2.5 is fossil fuel emissions. We also need to look at how the sources are very different at the regional levels. In the global north, the main issue can be transportation sector and power sources. In sub-Saharan Africa, wind-blown dust can be a very big emission source. And in South Asia, brick kilns can be a very important economic source, but that is a very big carbon dioxide emitter. In Nepal, after the earthquake in 2015, they started building the brick kilns with much better technology so that it was reducing air pollutant emissions and also aerosols like PM2.5 coming out. That is an unfortunate event that happened that led to a change. Thinking as a system, that's the big lesson, so that we can find the most optimal solution for the problem overall.